Good morning students. Welcome to 10th Maths online class. How are you children? I hope all are fine by God's grace. Children, you must study all definitions and notes. Okay. In previous class, you learned about function in first chapter. Today we are going to see the continuation of this function. Okay. Shall we recall what is meant by function? Function, a relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. If for each x belongs to capital X, there exists only one y belongs to capital Y, such that x comma y belongs to f. Okay. Then that is, we can write what f is equal to set of x comma y such that for all x belongs to capital X, y belongs to capital Y. Okay. This function is also called mapping or transformation. Mapping or transformation. Okay. Then every function is a relation, isn't it? Like that, functions are subset of relations. And relations are subsets of Cartesian product. Now we are going to see example 1.7. Example 1.7. A relation f from x to y is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 2, where x equal to set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, and y is equal to r. R means real numbers. Then first question is, list the element of f. Second subdivision, is f a function? Is f a function? Here what is given? F of x equal to x square minus 2 is given. And one relation also given, isn't it? That relation f from x to y is defined by like this. Okay, f of x equal to x square minus 2. So, first solution. Then given, first we have to write f of x is equal to x square minus 2. Then x also given, isn't it? X equal to set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Okay. Our first question is, list the element of f. List the element of f. So, first one, you can find the elements. Here x equal to what are the elements are given? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Isn't it? These four values, you have to substitute f of x. Okay, shall we substitute? Then f of, first we have to take this minus 2. Okay, then equal to, then x place, you have to substitute minus 2. Okay, minus 2, the whole square minus this minus 2. Okay, then equal to minus 2 the whole square is minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, isn't it? Minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 minus 2. Have to subtract this 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, then second elements you have to take. Second element is here minus 1, isn't it? Then equal to, then minus 1 the whole square minus 2 equal to minus 1 the whole square is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Then minus 2. Shall we subtract this 2? 1 minus 2 is big number minus small number. Big number sign, isn't it? And say 2 minus 1 is 1. Greater number sign is minus. Am I correct? Then third element, f of 0. F of 0 is equal to x plus, you have to substitute 0. 0 the whole square minus 2. Okay, then equal to 0 the whole square is 0 minus 2. 0 minus any number, 0 minus any number, that same number only we will get, isn't it? And 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, the third element 3, isn't it? F of 3 is equal to, here shall we substitute? 3 the whole square minus 2. Okay, 3 the whole square is 3 3s are 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, then shall we write the elements of f? Our first question is list the element of f. Isn't it? List the element of f. Okay, therefore f equal to, we have to list the elements. Set of, what are the elements you say? Then x value minus 2. If you substitute means then f of x is 2. X is minus 1. F of x is minus 1. X is 0 means then f of x we got minus 2. Then 3, x is 3. Then f of x equal to 7. So you have to write in the ordered pairs. Minus 2, comma, minus 2, comma 2. Then second one, minus 1, comma, minus 1. Third one, 0, comma, minus 2. Next one, 3, comma, 7. 3, comma, 7. Then close the bracket. Have you understood? Then one more question also there, isn't it? What's the question? Is f a function? Is it a function? Yes, it is a function. Why? Each element in the domain of f has a unique image. Okay, each element of x, here each element of x has a unique image, different image we got, isn't it? And we got different images. Okay, therefore f is a function. Okay, right? Then second one, second subdivision, each element in the domain of f has a unique image, has a unique image. Okay, therefore f is a function. Therefore f is a function. Okay, therefore f is a function. Have you understood? Now let's see example 1.8. If x equal to set of minus 5, comma 1, comma 3, comma 4 and y is equal to set of a, b, c, then which of the following relations are function from x to y? Which of the following relations are function from x to y? Here 3 functions are given. Okay, 3 functions are given. First subdivision, R1 equal to set of minus 5 comma A, 1 comma A, 3 comma B. Second subdivision is R2 is equal to set of minus 5 comma B, 1 comma B, 3 comma A, 4 comma C. Third subdivision is R3 is equal to set of minus 5 comma A, 1 comma A, 3 comma B, 4 comma C and 1 comma B. Like this, 3 relations are given, isn't it? Then first one, solution. What is given we have to write? X equal to set of minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Then y equal to set of A, B, C. Okay. Then our first question is R1 is equal to first relation set of minus 5 comma A, 1 comma A, 3 comma B. Like this given. Okay. Then shall we represent the relation R1 in the arrow diagram? First we have to draw the arrow diagram. Have to represent the arrow diagram. The arrow diagram we have to use pencil. Okay. And what are the x values? X values we have to write here. Minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Then y elements. This is y, A, B, C. Okay. Then what's the relation is given here? Minus 5 and A, isn't it? Then minus 5, the image is A. And we have to put the arrow mark. Then second one, 1 and A. 1 and A. Mapping 1 and A. Okay. Then 3 and B. Third element is 3 and B. This is the arrow diagram. Middle we have to write R1. Then relation X to Y, isn't it? Then minus 5 is related to A. 1 is related to A. 3 is related to B. Like this, the question is given. From the arrow diagram, shall we find this one? Is it a function? Yes, it is a. No, it is not a function. Okay. Why? Here 4 belongs to X, does not have a image in C, isn't it? So it is not a function. Okay, which is not a function? R1 is not a function. Okay, from arrow diagram, have to write from arrow diagram. From arrow diagram, R1 is not a function. Not a function. Why? As 4 belongs to X, 4 belongs to X element, isn't it? This is does not belongs to, does not have an image, does not have an image in where? Y. Have understood? Then R1 is not a function. Y means this 4 does not have any image, okay, in Y. So it is not a function. Okay. Then R2, second sum. R2 equal to, what is given we have to write. R2 equal to set of minus 5 comma B, 1 comma B, 3 comma A, 4 comma C. Okay. Then this question also have to, first we have to represent a arrow diagram. Okay. Then shall we draw? Have to draw the arrow diagram. First x value write it here. Y. What are the elements x? Minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Then y elements are A, B, C. What's the relation is given here? Minus 5 comma B, isn't it? Minus 5 image is B. Okay. Then 1 and B. 1 and B. Then 3 and A. Okay. Mapping 3 and A. 4 and C. What's the image of minus 5? B. What's the image of 1? B. What's the image of 3? A. What's the image of 4? C. Isn't it? Then from arrow diagram, then what we can write is whether it is a function or not a function. Yes, it is a function. How? Each element of X has an unique image. Every element or each element of X has an unique image in Y. Different image in Y, isn't it? So it is a function. Okay. From arrow diagram, from the arrow diagram, R2 is a function. R2 is a function. Function as, what's the condition? Each element of X has an unique image in Y. Have understood? You see here from the arrow diagram, this R2, relation R2 is given. Okay. Here minus 5 and B, 1 and B. Then each element of X has an unique image, different image in Y. Okay. Each element of X has an unique image. Okay. Unique image, different image in Y. So it is a function. Yes, R2 is a function. Okay. And third subdivision is, here R3 is equal to, that relation R3 is equal to set of minus 5 comma A, then 1 comma A, then 3 comma B, 4 comma C, 4 comma C and 1 comma B. 1 comma B. This relation is given, isn't it? Then here we have to check, okay, by representation, represent the relation R3 in an arrow diagram. Representation of an arrow diagram. See X, set X is on Y, isn't it? X elements we have to write here minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Then Y, what are the elements? A, B, C. And what are the relations given here? Minus 5 and A. 1 and A. 3 and B, isn't it? 4 and C. Again 1 and B, isn't it? Now you check, is it a function? Is R3 is a function? No, it is not a function. Why? What's the reason? You see here, 1 belongs to X has 2 images. Okay, then X1 belongs to X. This 1 is in X, isn't it? This 1 has 2 images. This 1 has 2 images. So it is not a function. Have you understood? This 1 has 2 images. So it is not a function. Okay. Then relation R3, you should write it. Okay. From an arrow diagram, from the arrow diagram, R3 is not a function. Not a function. Why? Because as 1 belongs to X, 1 belongs to X has 2 images. 2 images. What are the images? 2 images. A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y, isn't it? 2 images. A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. Okay? 2 images A and B. It is belongs to Y. So it is this R3. The relation R3 is not a function. Correct? Next we are going to say example 1.9. Given f of x equal to 2x minus x square, find first one f of 1, second subdivision f of x plus 1, third subdivision f of x plus f of 1. Okay, what is given here? F of x, solution, f of x, given f of x is equal to 2x minus x square. Okay, then we have to find f of 1, isn't it? Then first one, f of 1. So here instead of x, what is given? 1, isn't it? F of x place we have to substitute 1, isn't it? So x equal to 1, we get f of 1 is equal to, instead of x, we have to substitute 1. Shall we substitute? 2 into 1 minus x place 1 substitute 1 the whole square, this square. Okay, then 2 into 1 is 2, isn't it? Minus 1 square is 1. Correct? 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? Then second solution, f of x plus 1. Isn't it? Here x equal to, you have to substitute what? X equal to, here x equal to x plus 1. Okay? And we get f of x plus 1 is equal to 2 into, okay, 2 into, instead of x, we have to substitute x plus 1 minus x plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square. Instead of x, you have to substitute x plus 1. Correct? And equal to, this 2 we have to multiply inside. Okay? Remove the brackets. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 1 is 2, isn't it? Plus 2 minus of, this is of the form a plus b the whole square, isn't it? You see? A plus b the whole square, what's the formula? A plus b. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square and plus 2ab plus b square. Here instead of a, what is given? A is equal to x, then b is equal to 1, isn't it? Shall we substitute here? Then a square means x square, okay, plus 2 into, is 2 into a into b, that means 2 into x into 1. What we will get? 2 into x is 2x. 2x into 1 is 2x. Okay, plus b square. B square is 1 square. Okay, 1 square. Then equal to 2x plus 2. This minus we have to multiply inside the brackets. Okay. Then minus into x square is minus x square. Minus into plus is minus. Okay. Minus into plus is minus into 2x. Okay. Here 1 is there. 1 into 1 is what? 1, isn't it? Then minus into 1, minus into plus is minus 1. Have you understood? 1 square is 1. Okay. Anyway, here 1 we will get. Then shall we add this on like terms? You have to add or subtract. What are the like terms here? Here 2x is there. Here minus 2x is. So, you have to cancel this 2. 2x minus 2x is 0. Isn't it? Then, remember what is given? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Isn't it? Then minus this x square. Okay. Arrange the order wise. Then minus x square plus 1. Okay, order wise we have to write, means this minus x square first we have to write, then afterwards constant term. Any doubt? And third solution is f of x plus f of 1 is equal to f of x function is here given, isn't it? 2x minus x square. Then plus f of 1, what's the value? F of 1, here already we got the answer, 1, isn't it? That 1 we have to substitute here. Okay. Then we have to arrange the descending power. Okay. First we have to write this minus x square. Then afterwards x term 2x. constant term. Okay, order wise we have to write x square term, x term and constant term. Okay, have you understood? Then we have to see one note. F of x plus f of 1 is not equal to f of x plus 1. Okay, f of x plus f of 1 is not equal to f of x plus 1. Shall we check? F of x plus f of x plus f of 1 is equal to, we got this answer, isn't it? Then f of x plus 1 is equal to another answer we got, isn't it? These two are not equal. Correct? So, in general, what we can write? F of x a plus b also not equal to f of a plus f of b. Okay? This notes our study. Okay, homework exercise 1.3, then third sum. Exercise 1.3, third sum. Given the function f from x to x square minus 5x plus 6, evaluate f of minus 1. Then second subdivision is f of 2a. Third one f of 2. Then fourth one f of x minus 2. Okay, like this given. Then all values we have to substitute this x place. Then find the answers. Okay. Then given function f of x equal to, you take it. Okay. F of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then first one f of minus 1. And then instead of x we have to substitute minus 1 the whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. And then all values substitute, find the answers. Okay, try to do. Okay, and practice it. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.